Have you ever wondered how a battery that can last for 50 years without recharging works? Let's take a walk down memory lane to the 1950s, when the first betavoltaic batteries were born. These nuclear batteries, also known as betavoltaic cells or devices, were no ordinary source of power. They generated electricity from beta particles, electrons emitted from a radioactive source. Now that's not something you see every day. The secret sauce to their operation was a semiconductor method of charge collection. This allowed them to harness the energy of the beta particles more effectively, resulting in a reliable, durable, and impressively small power source. And the radioactive material? Various radioisotopes were used, including strontium, yttrium, cesium, promethium, and hydrogen. The world was introduced to a battery that could generate electricity for decades, using the power of nuclear decay. So a betavoltaic battery is a nuclear battery that can generate electricity for decades. Fascinating, isn't it? But where were these batteries used, you might ask? The 1970s saw betavoltaic devices playing crucial roles, particularly in the medical field. Yes, the humble pacemaker, that life-saving device regulating heart rhythms, owed its reliable operation to these nuclear batteries. The betavoltaic batteries were a perfect fit due to their small size, reliability, and durability. They could function flawlessly for years without needing a recharge or replacement, a critical factor in an era where surgical procedures were far more invasive than they are today. However, as the decade progressed, a new contender emerged on the scene: lithium batteries. These were cheaper to produce and offered competitive performance, making them an attractive alternative. As a result, the use of betavoltaic batteries in pacemakers gradually declined, and by the late 70s they were largely replaced by their lithium counterparts. Though cost-effective lithium batteries took over, the betavoltaic batteries didn't vanish. They were just waiting for their time to shine. Fast forward to today, and betavoltaic batteries are making a comeback. In the world of ever-evolving technology, where the thirst for energy is unquenchable, a Chinese startup named Betavolt has stepped onto the stage announcing a revolutionary development. They've created a battery that promises to change the way we perceive power consumption in our everyday gadgets. Say hello to the BV100, a betavoltaic battery smaller than a coin. This tiny powerhouse is capable of fueling your smartphones for an astounding 50 years, without the need for recharging. Yes, you heard that right. 50 years of power, tucked inside a device smaller than your loose change. It's almost like science fiction, isn't it? But how is this possible? The secret lies in the radioactive isotope of nickel that the BV100 houses. This isotope undergoes decay, transforming into copper, a process that generates a steady stream of power. This power is then harnessed and used to fuel your device, making charging cables and power banks a thing of the past. Now, you might be wondering about the safety of carrying a radioactive isotope in your pocket. Fear not. The radiation emitted from the nickel isotope is non-penetrating and is safely contained within the battery. It's a safe, efficient, and incredibly long-lasting power source, all wrapped in a package that's smaller than a coin. But the folks at Betavolt aren't stopping there. They have an ambitious plan set for the near future. By 2025, they aim to produce a betavoltaic battery capable of generating 1 watt of power. That's enough to power not just our smartphones but also a wide range of other electronic devices. The BV100 is more than just a battery. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of technological advancement. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we find ourselves revisiting older technologies like betavoltaic batteries and giving them a new lease of life in our modern world. Incredible, isn't it? A battery that outlives most of our electronic devices. So, where do we go from here? The future of betavoltaic batteries is not a question of if, but when. As we look ahead, we see companies like City Labs, Inc. leading the way. This innovative company is not just thinking about the future, they're designing it. They're actively developing and manufacturing tritium betavoltaic batteries, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Their focus is on various industries, some of which are at the very forefront of technological advancement. Aerospace, for instance, is a field where the reliable, durable, and long-lasting power of betavoltaic batteries can truly shine. Imagine satellites and space probes that can function for decades without the need for recharging. That's a game changer. Then there's the defense industry, where the ability to power devices for extended periods can be crucial. Betavoltaic batteries offer the potential for devices that can operate reliably in the field for years, even decades, without the need for recharging or replacement. And let's not forget the medical field. The same attributes that make betavoltaic batteries ideal for aerospace and defense also make them perfect for medical devices. Pacemakers, for example, could be powered for a patient's entire lifetime without the need for risky and costly battery replacement surgeries. But the potential of betavoltaic batteries doesn't stop there. As technology continues to evolve, new applications for these batteries will undoubtedly emerge. And with companies like City Labs Inc. leading the charge, we can expect to see some truly groundbreaking developments. The future of betavoltaic batteries is bright, promising to power our devices for decades, if not centuries. So, next time when you charge your phone, remember there's a battery out there that won't need recharging for 50 years. How's that for a power trip?